Guys, I just wanted to show you all something funny. Sorry if I don't have my face on. Well, here we go. My face is on now. I just want you all to watch this. Hey, Chiefy. Come here. Come here. He's scared of the wind, which is kind of funny. Twilight. Twilight, on the other hand, don't mind it at all. No. See what? She just bites at it. Chiefy. I'm a meanie. I'm sorry, Peter. Don't call Peter. Don't call the animal thing. I'm so mean. I'm sorry, guys. I just wanted to show you all that real quick. Don't dislike because it's a short video, please. I just thought it would be something funny to show you all. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.